So year 7, here we have some of the things from lesson. I just wanted to explain them for you in case you're a bit stuck. So these are the harder ones. The easiest thing to do with these is to start looking at what the sequence is doing. So if we look at the term to term rule, it's +3. Now there's something else that we know goes up in threes, and that's the 3 times table. And that's the clue. This sequence is very much like the 3 times table. So actually, if I times by 3, well, 1 times 3 would be 3, 2 times 3 would be 6, 3 times 3 would be 9, 4 times 3 would be 12. So we've got to that point now, but actually it's not the 3 times table. Our sequence is a little bit different. And if we have a look, how do you get from 3 to 4? You add on 1. How do you get from 6 to 7? You add on 1. 9 to 10, you add on 1. So actually, it must be that we add 1 to the 3 times table. Now to write that in algebra, it's going to be 3 times a number, add on 1. And there we have our nth term for that example. I'm going to have another look at 2 more so we can do these together. So with this one, the rule is we're going up in 4s. The 4 times table goes up in 4s, so that's a good first step. So we're going to times by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. Now how do I get from 4 to 3, and 8 to 7, and 12 to 11? Well, to get from a 4 times table to my sequence, I have to take off 1. So that works for them, doesn't it? 4 times 4 is 16, take off 1 is 15. It works, which means the name of this sequence is 4 times a number, take away 1. And the final example, so this time it's going up in 3s again, so that's a 3 times table, so I'm going to say times by 3. If I times them all by 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12. Now how do I get from 3 to 0, and then 6 to 3, 9 to 6, and 12 to, I can see it, I take away 3, which now means my rule is 3 times a number, take away 3, and that works for that sequence, and that's how we name it.